What's the meaning of crushingly? Crushingly. Crushingly.
Crushingly. Crushingly. The word crushingly is an adverb that describes the intensity or severity of a certain action or situation. It implies a feeling of being overwhelmed, defeated, or devastated by something. For example, a crushingly difficult exam would mean that the exam was extremely challenging and made the test taker feel helpless. Or a crushingly low score would indicate a score so low that it caused great disappointment or embarrassment. In essence, any situation that is described as crushingly implies that it caused a significant and often negative impact on the individual affected by it.